It's your boy Black Feniks checking in with you this morning, man. Just want to come to you with a small announcement on what I have noticed since I've been in the Phoenix area. And what I have noticed since I've been here is a few different facts. But one is, it's a greedy culture here as far as like the contractors and the business and the big businesses. You know, everybody's trying to eat in a major way. People's willing to sue for whatever they think you got some money. I mean, it's really sad when it comes to that level. But you can eat, and this is one thing also I have noticed, that they have a big turnaround rate. I noticed I've been here almost 2 years now, and I have noticed the same jobs always applying, looking for help, always. But they don't want to increase their pay. They want to pay you a little bit so they can make some money. If it don't work out, cool, they'll place somebody else. They would rather do that than just actually pay someone certified and that's able and that's willing to come in and do the job on time, all the time, and make money. You know, it's something like they don't want to see you just making that type of money. They want to be able to really, really win on you. So, if you're in the area and you want to be independent, I think that's the best thing to do. If you're a welder, iron worker, and you're in the Phoenix area, the best thing to do is to be independent, get your LLC, get your contractor's license. That's the best thing to do, because then you can cut all the BS out and you can just provide your service and keep on moving. But one thing I have noticed, you know what I mean, they are petty. So I have had some of the same recruiters call me, even asking me, hey, do you know somebody, you know, that maybe be interested? You know, that's like asking me, hey, do you know somebody I can fuck? I'm trying to fuck somebody, you know, with this position. Do you know somebody? No, I'm not going to put somebody up on you so you can take advantage of them. Nah, my whole channel is for independent welders, independent iron workers, independent hustlers, independent people who's trying to do something. So that's my goal. I'm here to try to show you that it can be done by somebody who's actually out here doing it. So don't get caught up in them trying to tell you, oh, you got to do this, you got to do that. If you're certified, if you got the knowledge, if you're a journeyman, you invest in your own tools, your own welding machine, your own equipment, get your certs, you can get paid. I haven't punched a regular clock out here, and I've been doing pretty well. Me and baby has blessed to say that as of, you know, like I say, this year, you know, we are not debt free. So now we're just working on our credit, working on, you know, getting ourselves together to get ready to go up from here. So it is possible. But what I have noticed here is money, it's greed, and it's opportunity. Phoenix, Arizona.